Hello everyone, my name is Gurbinder Kaur and here we have another method of quadratic equations, that how we can solve the quadratic equations by quadratic formula. This is the last method of solving the quadratic equations. Two methods we have already done, that was factoring method and completing the square method. So there are some limitations while solving the quadratic equations using factoring method. Few questions cannot be solved by factoring method. So therefore we have to use the quadratic formula to solve any quadratic equation. So here first I'll write the formula of solving the quadratic equation. So it is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now what are a, b and c now? So as we can see in the quadratic equation, this was x square plus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. From here, we can say that a is equal to the coefficient of x square, which is nothing, means 1. And b is the coefficient of x, which is 8. And c is the constant term, which is 15. So these are the values of a, b, and c. Now just put these values here in the formula. So it's is minus 8, so it will become minus 8 plus minus square root of 8 square minus 4. Value of a is 1 and value of c is 15 over 2 times a, and a is 1 here, is equal to minus 8 plus minus square root of 8 square is 64 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 15 is 60 over 2 times 1 is 2. Simplifying further, minus 8 plus minus square root of 64 minus 60 is 4 over 2. Hence, x is equal to minus 8 plus and minus square root of 4 is 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. That is why. So here we get the two values. One is minus 8 plus 2 over 2 and the other is minus 8 minus 2 over 2. So means the x values will be, it is minus 6 over 2 and minus 10 over 2. Hence the two values of x are minus 3 and minus 5. So this is how we can solve any quadratic equation by this quadratic formula in an easy method. Now we have another example. So this is x square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Again, we'll use this same formula, that x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now let's take the values of a and b and c here. So a is equal to coefficient of x square, which is again 1. Value of b is coefficient of x, which is 6. And the constant term is 8. So c is equal to 8. So these are the values of a, b, and c. Again, writing the formula again. So x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So b is here 6. It is minus 6 plus minus square root of 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 8 over 2 times a, and a is 1 here. It will be minus 6 plus and minus 6 square is 36 minus 8 times 4 is 32 over 2 times 1 is 2, which is equal to minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 32 is again 4 over 2. Hence, we will say that x is equal to minus 6 plus and minus square root of 4 is 2 over 2. Again, we get the two values, minus 6 plus 2 over 2 and minus 6 minus 2 over 2. And x is equal to minus 4 over 2, because minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. And minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 over 2. Hence, x is equal to minus 2 and minus 4 are two values of x. So this was the method of solving quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Hope you all understand. If you have any question, you can type in the chat box. Thank you.